Rich Dad, Poor Dad. One book, two fathers. Two completely different outcomes. It's about how you think about money, and that changes everything. Here's the core idea. Your mindset about money matters more than your job title or your salary. Rich people think in terms of assets. Poor people think in terms of income. That single difference determines where you end up. Two dads, two philosophies. Poor dad said, go to school, get a job, play it safe. Rich dad said, learn how money works, then make it work for you. One spent his life chasing paychecks. The other spent his life building assets. Lesson 1. The rich don't work for money, they work to learn. They build assets that generate cash flow even when they're not working. Instead of trading your time for a paycheck, invest that time in skills and assets that pay you back. Lesson 2. And this one will change how you see everything. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. That house you bought, if it's not generating income, it's a liability, not an asset. A rental property, a side business, a dividend stock, those are assets. Lesson 3. Don't just work in a business. Build your business. Your day job can fund your dream job, but only if you use it right. Use your salary to start building side assets, not to upgrade your lifestyle. Lesson 4. Most money problems don't come from not earning enough. They come from not knowing how to manage what you already earn. Learn how taxes work. Learn investing. Learn cash flow. Financial education isn't optional. It's the foundation. Lesson 5. The rat race. Most people work harder just to pay bigger bills. More income, more expenses, same stress. Real freedom comes when your money earns for you. Build passive income streams, investments, royalties, side hustles. That's how you get off the wheel. Lesson 6. The rich aren't lucky. They're educated risk takers. They study, they learn, they act, while everyone else stands still, afraid to make a mistake. Here's the truth. You cannot win a game you never play. Stop working for money. Start making money work for you. Rich Dad, Poor Dad teaches one timeless truth. Wealth begins with a mindset shift, not a pay raise. Pause. Which lesson hit you hardest?